Hi, and welcome to CryptoMatrix. Today we'll be discussing what could be one of the most explosive cryptocurrencies in 2021. Before we get started, what is XRP and what is it used for? XRP was developed as a currency in 2011 for powering the Ripple network. XRP allows financial institutions to send money digitally. XRP came into fruition as an upgrade of Bitcoin, solving the issues of high transaction costs and slow transaction speeds associated with the popular digital coin. XRP was founded by David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Britto, and was launched in 2012. So, what is XRP? Simply, XRP is a digital currency that is issued and managed partly by Ripple Incorporated, a payment solution technology company that manages Ripple's cross-border payment networks. The Ripple payment system uses XRP tokens for the transfer of assets on the Ripple network. XRP was conceptualized to solve a huge problem in the finance and payment services sector, the process of slow payment transfers. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that are consumer-facing, in using XRP, banks and financial institutions can transfer money without having to pre-fund accounts in other countries or pay massive foreign exchange fees.
So we kind of found ourselves in this situation where if we wanted institutions to settle their international payments with a digital asset, we first had to rebuild the payment messaging, sort of the plumbing.
The XRP digital currency acts as a bridge when sending funds digitally. It does not discriminate between any fiat or cryptocurrency, which enables instant settlement times when transferring one currency in exchange for another. Ripple uses XRP as a cryptocurrency, which is a cross-border payments company looking to rival the likes of Western Union, Visa, and revolutionize international payments using blockchain technology. Ripple as a company was formed when Ripple Pay, an early innovation by Ryan Fugger in 2004 that didn't gain much traction, and OpenCoin by Jed McCaleb merged into one company. The network it runs on, also known as RippleNet, resolves the day-old issue of transferring money at faster speeds without sacrificing the security of the system. At its time, Ripple was a game changer, as it allowed individuals to exchange funds globally between different currencies within just a few seconds. Its scalability far outweighs its competitors with a whopping 1,500 transactions per second, comparable to the present Visa fund transfer system. XRP processes 1,500 transactions per second at an average ledger settlement of 3 to 5 seconds approval time, making it one of the fastest and secure blockchains. The fact that XRP can transfer money in seconds is a big deal if you compare it to the 48 to 96 hours it would take you if you were using SWIFT or Western Union for international payments. But how is this possible? What new field could they have possibly tapped into that achieved what has not been achieved ever? To answer this, we have to start getting a little technical. If you know a little about cryptocurrencies, then you're probably aware of currencies like Bitcoin, which has a node through which miners can successfully verify transactions. This is not the case at all for XRP. XRP uses an innovative method that does not require proof of work and cannot be mined in the conventional meaning of the word. This makes it so that XRP's reliance on the blockchain to maintain its own system is minimal, which means that it would not cost anything to transfer funds. In an ideal world, the transaction fee for transfers using the XRP blockchain should be free, but the need for preventing bad actors from exploiting the system to exhaust the system led to there being a negligible cost for transactions. But if there aren't any miners, then how are the transactions handled? Who verifies them? Ripple has its own community of validating nodes that help with maintaining the network and communication protocols. For this to work, users are allowed to pick from these nodes when making a transfer. These nodes are usually relied upon, as they are run by big names such as Microsoft and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Decentralization is another key aspect of running a successful cryptocurrency. Without it, wallet holders would not have shared control over the coin, and all of the decisions would be made by one central authority, making it no longer appealing to wallet holders and potential investors. Ripple tackles this issue for their coin XRP by making sure that no wallet holder has a larger percentage of the supplied coins on the network. It has systems put into place that prevents collusion between wallet holders for a potential attack. A majority of Ripple's validator nodes are third-party, and the number keeps on growing. Ripple is also attractive to government corporations and banks, as it has protocols put into place that prevent money laundering and other fraudulent transactions. Ripple has a state-of-the-art reporting system that is backed up with tests and scans 24 hours a day. Ripple also runs sanction screening, making it very secure against individuals that intend to take advantage of the lack of regulations for illegal activity. This is also good because Ripple is currently partnering up with the banking and financial system to integrate their methods of money transfer within it. To put this in simple terms, if money was being sent from one bank to another with two different currencies, then the first currency would first be converted into XRP and transferred to the new bank, where it would then be converted back into the second currency. Like we mentioned earlier, the name Ripple and XRP, although attributed to being the same, still refers to two different things. The XRP ledger is an open source platform run by an independent community that includes Ripple as an active participant.
It has the low cost and high speed that many sort of special purpose ledgers have, ledgers that are built just for NFTs, but it also has XRP, which is a digital asset that has great liquidity directly available on the ledger.
Currently, XRP has a market cap of almost 73 billion United States dollars. It also has a trading volume of almost $2.5 billion US dollars. It is currently priced at 1.63 per coin and is ranked number 5 on the market, making it one of the 10 most traded cryptocurrencies in the world. The gradual increase in value as the community grows and newer updates are released on the coin's blockchain pushes harder on the dam holding the coin back. And I'm sure many of you have the feeling that once that dam breaks, that value is going to go up. Currently, our research shows XRP to have the greatest potential in 2021. The current price of XRP is that it is suppressed due to the lawsuit within Ripple. Once there is legal clarity from the SEC, the price of XRP will skyrocket, as it will no longer depend on BTC dominance. The price of XRP is expected to soar based on utility and real use cases and partnerships with the likes of SBI Holdings and so many other mega banks across the globe in the financial sector for digital payments. We hope that you found our video informative. Please note that everything stated in this video is for entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe. You are in the CryptoMatrix.